ULategan wazuza indawo yesibili esigabeni sesithathu seDakar ekuqaleni kwalonyaka, kepha ingozi eyenzeka yaholela ekutheni yahoxe kulowa mjaho. Manje ngesikhathi esicishe sibe unyaka, lo mshayeli oneminyaka engama-27 useyilungiselelwe ngokwanele ukungenela umjaho olandelayo.
It was a long process to recover. I had a operation or surgery in February, and then it was 6 months of really hard recovering since then. But it's gone well. I did everything the doctors asked, so the recovery has gone really well.
Kepha ngenxa yokuguqulwa kwemithetho, uLategan uzobe eshayela imoto enkulu enamasondo kanye nenjini enkulu. Uthi uyakulangazelela ukubona elase-Saudi Arabia.
This year they said there's 80% new routes, and we are going into they call it the empty quarter, which is a massive desert in Saudi where there's not a lot going on apparently. So I'm looking forward to exploring the country and exploring the landscapes and everywhere that the route's going to go.
Enye ingqinamba ukutholakala komxhantela we-COVID-19 omusha i-Omicron emhlabeni jikelele. Kepha uLategan nethimba lakhe bakulungele ukubhekana nalokhu.
Now with the flights being cancelled, it's another challenge. But last year it was a similar story. There weren't a lot of flights going out of South Africa, so at the end we ended up chartering a plane and putting the whole team on the plane to go to Saudi. So I think this year something similar will probably happen.
IDakar izoqala mhla lulunye kuMasingana.